Hey guys, welcome back to Revolution XRC, and welcome to the next part of this Boom Racing BRX02 Land Rover Series 2 88 kit build series. In this part of the build, we are basically going to be working on the transmission, and that is basically putting what we finished in step 5 or part 5 onto the chassis. And for that, you'll need the chassis, the transmission, one M3 by 6 countersunk screw, one M3 by 10 countersunk screw, and 4 M3 by 8 button head screws. Alright, let's carefully mount up the transmission. Almost out of thread lock here. There we go. Right, carefully move the transmission over to your chassis. You don't want that separation where the transfer case connects to the gearbox to come apart, because that shaft needs to stay where it is. We'll just put one screw in here to keep it in place. And let's keep the transfer case in place by using the M3 by 10 countersunk screw. Oh. And let's just bolt in the transfer case on the driver's side with this countersunk screw with the M3 by 10. Okay, now we can take the shorter countersunk screw and continue bolting in the transfer case to the skid. Now let's go ahead and complete bolting in the gearbox. Alright, with the screws in to hold the gearbox to the chassis, that completes this part of the build series. Adding the transmission to the chassis. And this is how it's supposed to look. So that's about it for this part of the build series, and you will move on to the next one in the next part of the build series. So that's about it for this part of the build series. So thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe and hit that notification bell for the next part of this Boom Racing BRX02 Land Rover Series 288 kit build series. Thanks for watching.